So does exercise help in cardio diseases?
Yes, exercise greatly help in promoting cardiac health. Aerobic exercises like walking, jogging for half an hour to 1 hour greatly improves the heart condition. It reduces the blood pressure, it reduces the cholesterol, it decreases the weight. Also, it improves the blood sugar level also. So, exercise, any form of exercise greatly improves the heart condition.
Okay, sir. Sir, what type of diet you would like to advise our audiences in heart attack?
Yeah. So fruit and vegetables, rich diet is the best diet for heart. Salt should be less in the diet, and oil use should be less.
Okay.
And many people ask this question: what type of oil is good for heart?
Yeah.
So three oils which I put it at the top. Good oil for heart. One is the olive oil, rice bran oil, and third is soybean oil. These are the best oils which are for healthy heart. So we can use either singly or with a mixture of these oils. Also, these nuts, berries, flax seeds, barley, oatmeal, oranges, avocado, all are rich in the nutrients which are very good for heart.
Okay, sir. How important it is to undertake regular health checkup?
Regular health check is very important.
Okay.
As we have seen many celebrities, actors dying at a very young age. So if you know the diseases at early age, before advancing the advancement of disease, if you know the condition, we can treat it properly early. So regular health check involving the ECG, 2D echo, treadmill test is very important. If you find any abnormalities in this ECG, echo, TMT, there is another test which is very good test. Those who are afraid of undergoing the invasive test like coronary angiogram, these patients can undergo this CT coronary angiogram, just like a normal CT scan, where we can we know the any blockages there or not in the at early age. So there are a lot of advancement in the test. So if you do the regular testing, regular BP checkup, regular sugar checkup, and regular ECG, echo, so all these help in detecting the early cardiac disease and treating the help in the treatment of the disease.
Okay, sir.